Hey guys, Will's Garage here. This is Laguna Seca. First time with Aero. Let's see how the day goes. All right, quick cut. I am back home now. Overall, that was a great event, a successful event for a first shakedown with the Aero kit installed. I did a, I did a best lap time of a 1:37.69 with an optimal of 1:37.15. Unfortunately, I didn't get a video of it because I forgot to turn on my camera on the last session of the day. But, you know, it is what it is. The car felt great. It felt extremely planted, especially over the crest in turn 1 at Laguna. The car no longer feels floaty. I think for sure with the way the car's set up now, I'm sure it's capable of getting to the 136s. It's just a matter of me getting more comfortable and getting more confident with the Aero kit installed. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you guys are wondering, the car is currently weighing in at 3370, including me sitting in it. So the car has gained some weight since the last time after I installed the Aero bits. One thing I did notice though, looking at the pictures after the event, is that the rear section compresses quite a lot. I did feel the car kind of roll a bit excessively, so I think I need to up the spring rates. I am running the same spring as I did prior to installing the Aero kit, which is 900 pounds in the rear, 650 in the front. And I think most of you guys, from what I've seen, you guys run probably like 1,000 in the rear, 700 front if you have Aero installed. Let me know what you guys are running. I'm planning to just jump straight to 1,100 in the rear and 750 in the front to give that a try. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So next event, I'm planning to go to Sonoma. I don't think I have enough time to swap the springs out, but after that event, I might swap the springs out. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.